ma'am. My name is Ashika. I'm from Uttarakhand, Trichy. I'm studying 6th standard at Dhanlakshmi Srinivasan Meditation Higher Secondary School. I am very happy to be a student of the school. I have a younger sister who is studying 5th standard in the same school. My mother is a homemaker and my father works in the IT field. My favorite subject is science and my hobbies are playing both drawing and painting. My aim is to study well, gain knowledge and achieve success in life. Thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. My name is A.S. Nidhamli. I am 11 years old. I am studying in 6th standard B section in Dhanlakshmi Srinivasan Medic Higher Secondary School. My father name is Alagar. My mother name is A.S. Sangeeta. My sister name is A.S. Munishwari. My hobby is playing chess. My additional skill also playing chess. My vision is want to become a IAS. Thank you for your opportunity.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dinsha from 6th B. I'm 10 years old. Last 2 years, I was here in Borer, which is my native place. But I born and brought up till my 3rd standard in Chennai. My family is a nuclear family. I live with my parents and I have a naughty younger brother named Jeshwan. He's also studying in North School in LKG. I always very helpful and friendly person. My favorite color is pink color. My favorite food is curd rice with fried potato. My favorite subject is social and science. When I grow up, I want to become a volcano scientist. Thank you for listening. Thank you, one and all.
Good morning to all. My name is A. Kishore. I am coming from Puttur, Nagode. I am studying 6th standard A section in Dhanlakshmi Srinivasan Medic Higher Secondary School. My father name is Arun Mendes. My mother name is Kritika. My hobby is playing cricket. My aim is IPS. I'm proud to be a student of this school. Thank you.
Morning, friends. My name is Padma. I'm studying in 6th standard A section. I'm coming from Orayo Junior Center of Convent. My mother name is S. Ali Rami. My mother is a teacher. My father name is A. Suresh Babu. My father is an accountant. There are 4 members in my family. My aim is become a doctor. My hobby is playing badminton and reading. Thank you to all.